Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to fix the Snapchat Spotlight feature not showing up. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything new. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, head on over to your Snapchat and long press on the circle icon that appears on the bottom of your screen. This should record a video. Now, if you tap on the next button on the bottom right corner of your screen, you should be able to see the spotlight feature. However, if you don't see a spotlight feature, what you're gonna do is make sure that your Snapchat is up to date. Go ahead, go back and visit Play Store application on your mobile. On the search bar of the Play Store, go ahead and type Snapchat. After doing so, if you see an update button, go ahead and tap on it. However, if you don't see an update button, this means that your Snapchat is updated to the latest version. And if you're still not getting the feature, then what you're gonna do is simply long press on the Snapchat application and select app info. This should redirect you to the settings on your phone. And now force stop this application. Confirm that you want to force stop by tapping on OK. Go ahead and visit your storage and tap on clear data. Under clear data, you'll be able to see the clear cache option. Tap on it and confirm that you want to clear cache by tapping on OK. After that, go ahead and visit Snapchat again and try to see if your issue has been resolved. This should resolve your issue, and I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.